In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock a layer in Adobe Express. So this is a template that I used and have customized, and the template has one single layer that's locked, and I needed to unlock it because I needed to change the color of it, which is also locked, as you can see here. I first tried to right-click over this. That didn't do anything. I tried to right-click over the layer in the Layers panel here. That didn't do anything. Turns out there usually is a little lock symbol on the corner, but since this is scaled up so big, I can't see it, so I can't click that to unlock it. So how can I unlock something when I can't see the corner? Even if I scale this out, which I will show you in a minute, it's really hard to see. So there's another way to do it, and that's just to click on it within your page here. So I've clicked on it, that blue line that's really long, and I just need to right click now. And there I will get the unlock option. So if I hit that, now it's unlocked, easy as pie. However, I'm going to relock it so that I can show you what I mean by having it in the corner, the little lock symbol. If I go up here and zoom out as much as possible, I'm still not seeing the top corner. Let's see if I can zoom out a little more. There we go. I think that's about as far as I can go. And you'll see there is a little lock symbol, although it's being cut off here. If I click that, that will also unlock things. Now I can reset the sizing. Just for further example, say I lock this. Because this image isn't so scaled up and hard to see and find the corners of, you can see the lock symbol here. So now I don't have to right click over it. I can actually just click the item itself and unlock the image that easy. But if what you're working with is scaled up like mine and the corners are impossible to find, just remember, select it right within your page and then right click, unlock. That's all you need to do. There's also a keyboard shortcut, Control-Shift-L. So if you do this all the time, that could be helpful. For me, I only do it once in a while, so I don't really use this shortcut, but it might be helpful for you. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a like and check out my playlist in Adobe Express for more like this. Thank you for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.